Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Creepipe Shell. First, understand that Creepipe Shells are a crucial resource within the Fisk Superheroes Minecraft mod. They are essential for crafting iridescent gold, which in turn allows you to unlock powerful new superhero suits and abilities through the suit database. Knowing where and how to find these shells efficiently will significantly boost your progress in the game. Creetles, the source of these valuable shells, are hostile bug-like creatures that primarily spawn at night. You'll find them in most forest biomes, but your chances increase significantly in specific areas. Focus your search on megataigas, swamps, and roofed forests for higher spawn rates. Remember, Creetles burrow underground during the day, so nighttime is your prime hunting window. To maximize your Creetle shell haul, equip a sword enchanted with looting 3. This significantly boosts your chances of getting more than one shell per Creetle. Utilizing a minimap mod that displays hostile mob names can also make locating Creetles much simpler, especially in dense forests. For a steady, long-term supply, consider constructing a Creetle spawner in your base. Once collected, Creetle shells are primarily combined with gold ingots to create iridescent gold. This special material is then used within the suit database to unlock a wide array of superhero suits and their unique abilities, advancing your gameplay. Always keep an eye on your inventory, as you'll need a good supply. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.